Mission from Mr.X, Day 6. Are you ready? Let's start! What is 〇〇? There are some words. The top part has 〇〇 in the word. The bottom doesn't have 〇〇 in the word. So, yellowtail, blueberry, brownie, baby finger has 〇〇 in the word. Salmon, raspberry, cheesecake, and daddy finger doesn't have 〇〇 in the word. Okay, so if you know the answer, don't forget to write your answer in the crossword puzzle. Today is number 4. Answer to day 6. 答えが分かった人は必ずクロスワードパズルに書いておいてください。If you need a hint, please continue this video. If you don't need any hint, you can stop the video here. 次にヒントが続きます。ヒントが見たい人はこのまま動画を続けてください。Hint. Look carefully. Yellow tail. Blueberry. Brown Pink finger. Alright! この謎解きシリーズの動画と連動したクイズブックは希望される皆さんにプレゼントしています。ゲット方法はこの動画の概要欄からぜひご確認ください。Alright everyone, thank you very much for joining today's mission. I will see you in the next one. See you! Bye!
2024年もよろしくお願いします。